Hi, welcome to this lesson. In this lesson, we'll be fixing this site cannot be reached error. So now this error comes in different forms, but it's the same thing. Now anytime you see this site cannot be reached, or this site is unavailable, or IP address could not be found, it's the same thing. This error displays based on the browser you use. In some browsers, you can even have something like this. Can't reach this page. This is the same error, okay, but displays in different forms. Now, because there's DNS in the error, you see there's DNS and IP address, we're going to use a tool called DNS checker. So open DNS checker and enter your domain name there, and then pick name service and then click on search, and then you start seeing red. Okay, good. In my case, I have them here, but you are going to see red throughout, everywhere red. So this is to say that your name servers have issues. Just go to your domains registrar and then locate this client's domain name and then go to name servers. Now the name servers are the ones causing this issue. So this issue is common with wrong name server configuration. So make sure you enter the right name servers here. So this is what I did. I put wrong name servers to mimic real issue. Now we'll save the changes. Good. So after you save the changes, the error should be resolved. Hello. Before we go back to the tutorial, do you know this video you're watching right now is a part of my web hosting business setup masterclass? It is a program I set up to assist anyone looking to start, grow, and manage a web hosting business from home. In that masterclass, you learn how to set up your own hosting business, just like what you are seeing on your screen. Your users will click on buy hosting, pick one of your packages, and then place order. They are asked to enter their domain names. So they enter whatever domain they want to register, pick a TLD, weather.com, .net, .org, and then click on check. The system will check for this domain's availability, and if it's available, it will allow your users to proceed to buy this hosting and domain name. To learn more about the program, check the description of this video. That's enough. Let's go back to the tutorial. All right, so this is not a big issue. It's all about name server resolution. Your name servers are not resolving. And if you have also migrated this website recently, or you have just updated users name servers, then you are likely to see this error or something like what we have here, site not available and what have you. Okay, so it's all about name servers. There's nothing serious about it, and it's advisable that you give your website some time right after updating the name servers. So if you have just updated your name servers to the new ones, this could take up to 24 hours to resolve. So let me scroll down and show you this. Note, complete name server resolution may take up to 48 hours, but in most cases this is not true. This can take maybe even less than 2 hours for your name servers to resolve. All right, so that's the way to resolve this issue, site not loading issue. You have to resolve it. But when you put your domain name here and see that everything is looking good, everything is green, and you still have this error, okay, then it's something else. But in most cases, after you put the right name servers, it's going to work fine out of the box. Okay, so that's it. That's how you resolve DNS issues for your users. Right, so I hope you learned some valuable lessons in this video. I hope to see you in the next lesson.